Students, this is our activity number 3. Draw the animal around the animal skeleton. Identify each animal and color. The skull blue, the leg bone with green color and the spine with red color. Look at the picture. Here are some animal skeleton. You have to identify the name of these animal and write down in the blank. Look at the first picture. As you can see, a body like a deer, legs. So this is an animal. The horn shows that this is a swan deer. Swan deer. The next picture is a body structure of an animal that has a mouth, a body like a horse, legs, and that point shows that this is the structure of the horse. Look at the picture number 3. It shows that it is a different animal structure that you can see. It has a twisted legs, small mouth, small hands, feet. This is the animal. Live in water? Yes. Frog. This is the skeleton of a frog. Moving toward our last picture and identify the animal skeleton, which bird it has. It is a long beak. It has long beak, a long neck, long foot and a body like a bird. It is a swan. Swan. Student, this is our activity number 4. How are these skeletons unique in their characteristics? Look at this picture. Students, now moving toward the activity number 4. Look at this picture. These are the picture of fish skeleton and this is the picture of snake skeleton. Now you have to write some information about the skeleton of fish and skeleton of snake. This is the skeleton of fish. As you can see in this picture, skeleton of the fish consists of the vertebral jaws, ribs, cranium and intramuscular bones. It has a intramuscular bones. It provides protection and control and also they produce red blood cells in addition to kidneys and spleens. This is a skeleton of snake. As you can see in this picture, snake is a long body structure with a thin bones and a long tail. The snake are quite a few things that make snake skeleton so unique. The major thing that separate a snake skeleton from any other mammal or a reptile are their number of vertebrae and ribs, their flexible spine and their lack of almost any other skeleton structure. It has a flexible body structure that differentiates snake from any other animal structure. This is our activity number 5, students. Are these muscles voluntary and involuntary? Look at this picture now. In this picture, they shown us 3 body parts and we have to tell that whether these are voluntary muscle or involuntary muscle. But we have to first solve this activity. Then we must know about the voluntary and involuntary muscle first. Students, voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are those muscles that are in our own control, like our hand, our leg. Hand bones and leg bones are our voluntary muscle. This is our own choice whether we want to move it or not. As compared to involuntary muscles, they are not in our own control. They are moving automatically like our heartbeat, our brain are our involuntary muscles. Now we have to solve this activity. So look at the picture again. They shown us that heart. Our heart is our involuntary muscle and our cardiac muscle. Arm is our involuntary muscle because it is our own control that whether we want to move our hand or not. Stomach. This is our involuntary and smooth muscle.